Thank you very much. So my name is Jovita Severska. I am a senior associate at ECBF, and today I would like to introduce Biosynthia. Biosynthia is unique for many reasons. One of them is that this is today the only company that is almost our portfolio company. So we are right now closing the process, and we hope that it will come very soon to an ending. Thank you, Martin, very much for the cooperation so far, and I'm sure it will continue. Biosynthia, as I said, Biosynthia is unique for many reasons. But they are precision fermentation company that is targeting nutraceuticals market. And they are a leader in 2 vitamin programs in the market, and outcompeting big corporates on the market. So, Martin, floor is yours.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Thanks. So this is the first time tonight you'll use this. So if too many reds, then we'll see where I end up later. Okay, great. First, there's a short video. Do I just press and then it starts?
Press.
Good.
And then probably one more press and then you should be fine.
When you have dinner with your family, you sit and talk about electric vehicles, talk about buying more organic, more natural raw materials for making your dinner. But at the same time, you take vitamins, you take supplements, and without thinking about it, they actually come from a highly polluting chemical process based on oil. And the reason for this is that there is no alternative. At Biosynthia, we offer that alternative.
In the 21st century, we are facing a tremendous challenge in terms of climate change and sustainability. And this very much concerns also how we manufacture food ingredients and ingredients in general. At Biosynthia, we have a unique and proprietary technology that enables us to engineer very complex biology. What we do at Biosynthia is to think differently about how we can manufacture food ingredients, including vitamins. We provide a different solution to how we can manufacture these vitamins, using the capacity of nature to basically ferment these vitamins by biological fermentation. In our team of about 20 people today, we cover the full aspect of competences to engineer a microbe, to test it in a bioreactor, to purify the product and scale it up to a commercial scale process.
The vitamin market today is a $5 billion market with a high growth projected of 8% per year. And further, it goes into retail markets with more than hundreds of billions of sales. Our investors today are Novo Holding and Sofinova Partners, 2 experienced investors within industrial biotech and taking concepts from lab to full scale.
And soon ECBF. So what we do is precision fermentation. We look at a burger like this from Impossible Foods, and then we look at the ingredients. And there you'll see many of these are actually produced from petrochemicals, including the vitamins that are added. And we basically replace this with a sugar-based production process that goes into a fermenter like brewing beer, and then we optimize the organisms that produce these vitamins or brew these vitamins. So basically our aim is to use biology to disrupt how nature's ingredients are produced in a more sustainable way. So we focus especially on small molecules or vitamins, and these ingredients that fit our platform is roughly a 20 billion euro market today. So it's quite big. If you look at enzymes, so for instance, I'm from Denmark, so Novozymes is a big company. Their addressable market is 5 billion euros, so it's roughly 4 times that. And that's replacing not only petrochemicals, that's where we started, that's where the company started with the B vitamins, but also slowly moving into plant extract replacement. And the solution is more sustainable, it's much more higher quality, and over time we'll also produce the products cheaper than what's available today. So we fundamentally believe that the production system of tomorrow will be precision fermentation, replacing the existing systems we see today. So we started out actually more focusing on the technology in the beginning, and to be honest, we discussed a lot, should we become a product company or a technology company? And we decided to focus on building products. So we have a core capability in the microbiome process development and now scaling up and going into production with the first product. And this means that we know what we can produce with our technology, but we also know what should we produce. And I think this is a key component in driving innovation to market is understanding the customers. And this is something we're now starting to invest in. And the products go into many different segments, as you can probably imagine, with vitamins. So we have 4 programs today. 2 B vitamins, diterpene, and then a flavonoid, so 3 product groups we're going into. Look at the vitamins, they're only produced petrochemically today in China. So we'll be the first ones to offer a sustainable product, a natural product that is price competitive, based in Europe. And for the plant extracts, also a sustainable solution, and we'll come out with a better quality product and at a competitive price from the beginning. And totally, these 4 ingredients are roughly a €1 billion market just in themselves in terms of ingredient sales. And if we look at the platform overall, so the 3 product groups I just mentioned, the B vitamins, the flavonoids, and the diterpenes, that's roughly a €4 billion market. And going into, with our technology, we can address the full 20 billion market. And we today focus on replacing the existing ingredients, but what we actually do is building a production platform of the future. And we'll be able to produce actives that are not able to be produced today. So our focus is also how we can tap into this. If you take the flavonoids, then 30 flavonoids are commercial today. 4,000 flavonoids exist in nature. So there's a huge potential in delivering new active ingredients. And we truly believe that to have this disruption of sustainability, we need to be price competitive. So we go after what we call shutdown economics, where we can basically replace the existing production system. So this is the chemical process for biotin today. So our target going into this is halving that to 50%. And that means we need to solve the biology problem. And that is not solving the problem of how to build a car. That's a rational problem. You know which components you need, you know how to put them together. But when you need to solve biology, which is a cell organism that you need to optimize, where today science can't explain everything that goes on, it's actually an irrational solution you need to have to this. And here, high throughput is a key component. So we've developed a unique tool, which we sort of resembles burning down a haystack to find a needle. So we couple survival of a microorganism to productivity. So it's sort of biological self-selection. And this means that instead of going through the haystack straw by straw, which is basically what automation does, we basically burn down the haystack to find a high-performing organism. So this high-throughput testing system is 4x better than what you can see with automation today. And on top of this, we've worked on this type of problems over the last 9 years. So we have a team highly experienced in the area. And we also actually have synergies across our projects. So when we find a solution in one project, we can carry it on to the next. So this is what makes us unique and world leading in what we focus on. So vitamins, and I'm out of time here. So basically saying that this technology has driven us to a higher performance than state of the art. We do it cheaper than what others can do, and we actually have also corporates investing in programs for us to deliver innovation. And this is the team. We're based in Denmark. There are no Danish flags up there, which I'm super proud of. I think we have a good diversity on gender and also nationality and good experience, and a good syndicate investor group, which I'm also really happy about presenting. Thank you.
All right, thank you.